Welcome to Knowledge to Mastery. You are entering a realm of empowering knowledge. If committed and applied, it will elevate your life beyond your wildest dreams. If you're looking for secrets to level up your life, then you're in the right place. The time is now. Click the subscribe button. We all understand that your drive for a higher life can be a very long and hard road to travel, but it doesn't have to be that way. There is a powerful force in motion that I'm going to share with you today. The laws of assumption, no limits. The laws of assumption is a fascinating world full of possibilities. Without the law of assumption, you could spend your whole life working harder than you need to, struggling and wondering why nothing ever works out for you. Never experience the life you wish for, the life that you know in your heart that has been calling you. Every day, whether you realize it or not, you are the creator of your reality. Our reality reflects our assumptions, beliefs, and subconscious mind at work. Are you living the abundant, wealthy, and joyful life that you desire? If not, then it's time to look inward at our assumptions. There are no limits to what you can experience or have in this world. Anything that your heart desires. The dream home, an abundance of wealth, a beautiful, strong body, or the love of your life. It all can be yours. You may be wondering how to harness this force. The golden keys are provided on this journey, and I saved the best for last. Who created the law of assumption? In the 20th century, the law of assumption was created by Neville Goddard. Neville was a prominent spiritual educator, scholar, author, and prophet. He emphasized the power of the human imagination to transform our lives. Change your conceptions of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself and they will confirm the change. By Neville Goddard. The science behind the law of assumption. The law of assumption extends way beyond a mere philosophical concept. The law of assumption has a solid foundation in the domains of neuroscience and psychology, particularly within the intellectual workings of our subconscious mind. The subconscious mind, often referred to as a powerhouse, possesses immense potential. The subconscious mind diligently operates, storing and processing information even when our conscious awareness is dormant. This process is like a garden receiving the seeds of our assumptions and beliefs, nurturing them until they blossom into our perceived reality. The brain plays a pivotal role in shaping our perception of reality through these assumptions. This phenomenon is comparable to cognitive bias or confirmation bias, where our brain seeks evidence that aligns with its pre-existing beliefs. So it strengthens these assumptions and integrates them into our perception of reality. Our firm assumptions wield significant influence over our brain's functions. They lead to a specific mode of operation in our brain, affecting how we perceive the world. While the spark of wisdom is open, be sure to explore the links provided for tactical advantages on your way to mastery. Origin of assumptions. Assumptions come from various sources and are often embedded in your beliefs. Prior experiences, media, peer influences, and cultural and social background are common sources. This is a golden opportunity to check your existing assumptions. Are your existing assumptions providing you with the life you desire? If not, which assumptions need a deeper understanding or replacement? What media are you investing your time into? Are you caving into peer influences or living life to the fullest? Is your current environment aligned with your highest potential? Are your friends, co-workers, and family members inspiring and supporting you? Everything in your existing life is either empowering you or dragging you down. What do you want in your life? Reflecting on these powerful questions will assist you in redirecting your life. The life that you are currently living and the one you desire. How to harness the laws of assumption. The depth of the source is within you. Your emotions are embedded in your subconscious mind. Your emotions are a golden key to unlocking your wish within. Embody your wish fulfilled. The inner work is to feel the emotions, the attitude and sensations of that which you desire. Breathe in every rich sensation of that dream until it comes to life. Immerse yourself in the tiny details. Feel the energy that flows through your body. Your dream should be woven into the tapestry of who you are. For example, if you aspire to be a gladiator or a goddess, first visualize that gladiator. What is the scene around you? Are you in an arena about to fight for your life? Is there a crowd of people around you, or are you alone? Is the sun high in the sky? Is it so hot that heat waves are blurring your vision? As you breathe in the hot air, what are you smelling? Are your senses alive with survival? Is your adrenaline pumping? What is the expression on your face? Is it fierce and focused? Is it stoic with no expression? See the color of your eyes. What are they telling you? What armor are you wearing? Is the armor made of metal, leather, or both? Feel the weight and the power that comes with wearing that armor. What sounds arise from the movement in your armor? Smell the metal or the leather. Feel the mental confidence, clarity, and power coursing through your body. Visualize every muscle. Feel the blood flowing through your veins. See the sweat beads dripping down your face. Visualize your skin glowing from the power within. Align your posture with strength, confidence, and direction. The stronger the emotion, visualization, belief, and assumption, the higher your outcome. Now is the time to harness your own power. Now is the time to take action. Assume winning, assume wealth, assume love, assume you are powerful. Assume that this is a friendly universe. Assume your brilliant life. The laws of assumption, no limits. This is your life. Harness the power of assumption to go beyond your wildest dreams. If you completed this video, congratulations, you are in the top 1%. Drop a 100 in the comments. Watch the next video, Negative Capability Enlightenment, a deeper exploration of the human experience for unparalleled empowerment. Explore the links provided. Every modern-day gladiator wields unique advantages through the tools and knowledge they master on their journey. These links offer distinct advantages to elevate your path. Click the subscribe, stay engaged, and let's continue evolving together. As we conclude this journey on the Knowledge to Mastery channel, remember that knowledge is not just power, it's the catalyst for transformative change. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep applying. Your journey to mastery is ongoing, and we're here to fuel your curiosity. Until next time, thrive in the pursuit of knowledge, and may your path to mastery be as rewarding as it is enlightening. Thank you for being a part of our community.